How to add an image into your HTML page in Visual Studio Code. So if you have an HTML page like mine here and you want to display an image, here's how to do it. So for example, I dragged my image right here, which is this one, and I want to display it on this page. If I run it currently, it doesn't have anything, just a header that says my image. Now to place your image, you'll simply need to add this line, which is img followed by src for source, and then the path to the image. In this case, my image is directly in the same directory as my HTML page, so I'm gonna remove this path here and simply type my image name, which is my image.jpg, and you can give it whatever name in the alt, which is the alternative text to display when the image fails to load. They will display this text instead, or it will display. Now you can go to run and start this to see the image, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.